Looking for a home that's just 10 minutes away from the CBD? Or perhaps someone who desires a renovated property that comes with an ultra-large master bedroom that can fit a royal-grade king-size bed? Yes, this luxury is just right here in this unit. Hi, my name is Belle and I'm the host representing the OrangeTee AAG division. And today, I'm going to show you a $650,000 worth high-floor unit that's just 8 minutes drive away from the Orchard MRT as well as 11 minutes Grab drive from the Raffles Place. But first of all, let me share with you all these amazing conveniences that one can enjoy at this location. Located in District 12 OCR area, in a mature estate of Kallang Whampoa, this only 21 years block at 17 Jalan Tenteram could just be your next home. Being in a mature estate means having all conveniences around you. 17 Jalan Tenteram is within 1 kilometer of Bendinia Primary School, St. Andrew's Junior School and Hongwen School. If you have old folks in the family, NTUC Health Senior Activity Centre is just across the street. You have coffee shops and a mini-mart, Haumat, just a few minutes away from your home. Toa Payoh Central is just down the road. Take a short stroll to the bus stop and many buses will take you down direct to Toa Payoh Central, where you can get just about everything. Make a trip to the bank, get your groceries, buy some fast food and bubble tea, or just take the MRT down to wherever you want to go. Toa Payoh Sports Hall and Safra Toa Payoh are also just a short direct bus right away. For drivers, you'll be glad to know that it is very well connected via PIE and CTE. If you drive or take Grab for your daily commute, a 10 minutes ride on the CTE will get you home. Let us show you the journey. On the return trip, home is just within 2 minutes of exiting the CTE at exit 7B Jalan Bahagia. If you work in Novena area, home is just 8 minutes away. If you work at Paya Lebar area, 40 minutes ride will get you home on a good day. And if you're a frequent traveler, Changi Airport is just 80 minutes away from home. Everywhere is almost just under 20 minutes Grab ride, subject to traffic conditions of course. It truly is such a central convenient location. When looking for your next home, what do you look out for? Bigger space? Good light? A convenient location? Well, we're pleased to show you this 5-room HDB unit today. This 5i105 square meter or 1,130 square foot unit is on a high floor and is also a corner unit. There are only 3 other units on this level, so privacy is ensured. The current owner has actually built in a lot of cabinets as well as mirrors, giving it a very spacious look. This white and purple theme runs through the entire unit. Let's take a look at the rooms first. Both rooms are regular shaped and it comes with black and white colored built-in cabinets and vinyl parquet flooring. The highlight of the house is the jumbo-sized master bedroom, which has been expanded by knocking down one of the common rooms. Owners have built-in a walk-in wardrobe which provides ample space for all your clothes, bags, and also doubles up as a dressing room with a makeup corner over here. The owners have cleverly chosen to place the TV display wall in the middle of the room, therefore giving the room a lot of working space. Of course, if you prefer to reinstate the room back, it can be easily done by building the wall back up here. At AAG, we like to call such a home a scalable home. You see, when you first got married, you probably prefer to have a huge master bedroom all by yourself. But when a baby comes over, you can choose to have a baby cot right here and still have the entire privacy for just the both of you. As you know, hacking down the wall between 2 rooms to combine into one is actually more expensive than to restore it. So the current owner has already done the expensive part for you, so you can start off with a jumbo-sized master bedroom with no renovation cost. And years later, you can restore this area back into another bedroom for your child just by adding this wall and a door. Our contractor quoted us just $3,700 to do this restoration, and according to them, it will only take 1 week. So in short, this home scales to your evolving family life stages, from having a huge master bedroom at the start of your marriage to having a proper 3 bedrooms later when your children grows older. But if you really prefer the unit in 3 proper bedrooms by the time you collect the keys, well, that can be arranged as well. The current owner has actually built in a lot of cabinets as well as mirrors, giving it a very spacious look. Behind these glass mirrors are actually even more storage. The unique shelf here also acts as a room divider, and you can place all of your favorite things here on display. Now let's take a look at this shoe cabinet. You are able to store and see your shoes in one glance. The sitting area also makes wearing your shoes so much easier. Wow, this house is so well thought out. Every space is maximized fully. Now, let's take a look at the renovated kitchen. First of all, there's this black and white full-height kitchen cabinet to store all of your kitchen storage needs. And there's even space for a 4-door fridge. What's more, when doing heavy cooking, you can choose to close this glass door to prevent smell from spreading out, yet still be able to keep a look on what's going on outside. From the famous Whampoa marketplace, also known as Whampoa Market, where you get your hawker fix of Hokkien Mee, rojak and duck rice, to the mere 15 minutes drive to downtown Orchard Road, Jalan Tenteram's centrality is evident. Given such great convenience of traveling to CBD for work and Orchard for play, you may expect our seller to call a premium on this renovated scalable home. That's right! This unit does deserve a premium. From the latest transacted units within 200 meters of this 5i, units have transacted between $625,000 to $690,000. And you can infer the $625,000 units are unrenovated, while $690,000 units are high floor and renovated units. Yes, that's price to sell, so hurry up while the HDB market is moving. Lastly, did you know that Tenteram, the Malay word, actually means peace in English? Indeed, we hope that this unit can bring you peace and comfort, and you will make it your next home. Thank you for watching this listing. Please contact Johnny Ng from OrangeTee and Thai Asia Division for more details.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.